Hello, ayan. So, good evening everyone. Welcome to Lemuria Legend. So, for today's live stream, guys, we are going to shoutcast the Wizard Duel event. And we do have 7 participants. We missed one, alright? There is one player that, did not register on today's event. And let me show you the bracket, guys. And the bracket was organized by Lemuria Legend. Alright? And there you go, guys. Alright, so for elimination, we do have 20 mate versus Nat Angelo. For the second match, it's gonna be the Chinese versus AFK only. And then the third match will be the Chinese versus Mr. Bot DW. Alright, and whoever win on the first match will compete to Scratch for semi-finals. And then, there you go. We just only have 7 participants. So let's go ahead, guys, and start the duel. Shout out to our viewers, guys. Alright, so it is forbidden to use teleport skill, guys, of the wizard for today's event, alright? And everyone was reminded. Alright, so let's go ahead and start the event, guys. So it's gonna be 20 mate versus Nat Angelo, guys. Alright, so sino nga ba ang unang mananalo, mga kaibigan? Ah, grabe! Na one hit ni Nat Angelo yun? $920 versus 909. Parehong naka-awakening soul. At naka-soul barrier pa yan, ha? Ayun. Alright, so 2-0 tayo, guys, in favor of Nat Angelo. Medyo makunat si Nat Angelo. Sinalo niya pa yung damage ni 20 mate, eh. Nat Angelo was able to absorb the damage of 20 mate, oh. Di siya nawa one hit, man. 3-0 tayo, guys. 3-0 na tayo in favor of Nat Angelo. Palagay ko si Nat Angelo ang makakatapat ni Scratch, mga kaibigan, sa semifinals. Alright, so 4-0 na tayo, guys. Di sila nag-one hitan, eh. Pero lamang si Nat Angelo. 4-0 na tayo, mga kaibigan. At eto na nga, guys. 5-0 tayo, guys. Mabenta ang Meteor Strike, ha. Pang PvP talaga ang Meteor Strike, eh. Nagpalit ng mount dito si 20 mate, guys, into Black Fenrir, mga kaibigan. At ayun na nga guys, 6-0 tayo guys. 6-0 na tayo. Masarap manood talaga kapag nagko-cooperate yung participants. Yung hindi pa umaatake hanggat walang go signal. At ayun na nga guys, nakabawi na doon si 20 mate guys. 6-1 na tayo. Tsaka medyo makunan na tong mga to dahil sa soul barrier din eh. Alright, so 7-1 tayo guys. Naka-damage build pa yan ha, kasi naka-demon sila tapos Black Fenrir imbis na Blue Pet eh. 8-1 na tayo guys. Tatapusin na ba kaagad dito ni Nat Angelo? O meron pang pag-asa si 20 mate? Pwede kayong mag-dual bet dyan guys ha, kapag gusto nyo, sa mga nasa comment section. 9-1 na tayo guys. 1 kill to go for Nat Angelo at pasok na kaagad siya sa semifinals. Versus Iskraz. Ayan, si Iskraz ang kanyang makakaharap. At ayun na nga guys, si Nat Angelo ang panalo. Alright, so for the second match, guys, it's gonna be the Chinese versus AFK only, guys. Medyo nakakalito yung pangalan nila. Para magkasing haba kasi eh. Ito pareho silang naka-Dinoran. Alright, so yung isa level 901, si AFK 906. So 5 levels gap lang mga kaibigan. At unang umiscore doon si AFK mga kaibigan. Alright, so 1-0 tayo guys. 1-0 in favor of AFK. Alright, so that kill will not be counted guys. 2-0 tayo, 2-0. Na tayo guys. 3-0 na tayo guys. 3-0. Medyo malambot yung build ata ng dalawang to, men. Ay, naka-ano lang pala to, men. Naka-Anubis lang ata si yung Chinese, men. 4-0 na tayo, guys. Naka-Inis Anubis lang siya, men. 5-0 na tayo, guys. Seems like Awakening Soul versus Inis set or Anubis set. The Chinese player have a low gear tier. He's just using legendary ancient. So we are not sure if it's a legendary ancient, but there you go, it's an ancient legendary. Malambot siya, men. 6-0 na tayo, guys. 6-0 na tayo, mga kaibigan. The Chinese using a low tier item, so I guess this is the reason why he is being one hit by his opponent. Nakainis lang siya or Anubis, oh. 8-0 tayo, guys. 8-0 na tayo. Guys. 1 kill is not counted from AFK only since that kill was made before the go signal. Palagay ko magre-reduel sila, men. Not worth it, sabi ni Scratch. Actually, it's not worth it, but it still depends to the opponent if they want a reduel. But nandun na yung EFK, men. Alright, so 2 points will be awarded to the Chinese. That's gonna be... Ayun, okay na yun. It's 10-2. Saglit lang, ha. We need to remind EFK only about this. Alright, so for the third match, it's gonna be Mr. Bot, DW, and the Chinese. Alright, so the Chinese is level 970 versus 938. And there you go, guys. 1-0 na tayo, mga kaibigan, in favor of our Chinese player, guys. 1-0 tayo, guys. Level gap. Level gap siya, men. 2-0 na tayo, guys. Parang isi-secure na ng Chinese yung semifinals, men. Alright, so 2-0 na tayo, mga kaibigan. 3-0 tayo, guys. 3-0. Who do you think will going to win on this match, guys? Will it be the Chinese or will it be Mr. Bot, DW, guys? 4-0 na tayo, mga kaibigan. Narong spelling pa ako dun, 5-0 na tayo, guys. Ito yata yung top 1 eh. Sa Wizard itong Chinese. $5-1 na tayo, guys. Umiscore na doon si Mr. Bot, DW, mga kaibigan. Once again, guys, it is forbidden to use teleport skill, mga kaibigan. Alright, so 6-1 na tayo, guys. Using teleport skill will lead to disqualification of the participants. Binding. Maganda dyan, paralysis, men. Grabe, binding di nga pinapagalaw oh. Naka-binding daw yung Chinese. Alright, so 7-1 tayo guys. 7-1 mga kaibigan. Di siya makagalaw oh. Kinu-corner siya. Sarap talaga kapag meron ka ng regions, man. Alright, so 8-1 na tayo guys. 8-1 na tayo. 9-1 na tayo guys. 1 kill to go for the Chinese player. Tayo na nga guys. Ang Chinese ang nanalo. Alright, so for semi-finals. Alright, so let me update the bracket guys. Let me show you the updated bracket. So it will be Skraz versus Nat Angelo. And then followed by AFK only versus the Chinese. Alright, so tara. Nasaan si Skraz? Eto na nga guys. Sino nga ba ang papasok sa finals between Nat Angelo and Skraz? Nat Angelo is level 920 while Skraz is level 877 guys. Level gap. Ay grabe kunat ni Skraz oh. Grabe naglalaban si Skraz. It's 23 levels gap between these two players guys. Lamang si Nat Angelo. Sa level Grabe. Blue Fenrir versus naka-Ghost Horseman. Level gap pa yan Grabe naman tong si Skraz. Seems like Skraz is a tough opponent. As you can see, he is just only level 877. But he was able to stand on the attack of Nat Angelo. Grabe. Grabe oh. Napapalaban si Nat Angelo, men. Napapalaban si Nat Angelo, men. Grabe. 877 pa lang to, men. Level gap. Kung tutusin, ito nga dapat yung ma-one hit Grabe, nag-flame pa siya, boy. Ito nga dapat yung ma-one hit kasi level gap. Pero ang bangis ni Skraz. Salute to Skraz, whoever you are. Ayan. You're so tough on this duel event. You participated even though you're just only level 877. And you know, at the same time, you are able to stand on the attack coming from Nat Angelo. Napakakunat niya, men. Shout out to our 56,000 viewers, guys. You are watching Lemuria Legend, the best MU mobile and PC game. Alright, so 1-0 na tayo, guys. In favor of Nat Angelo, mga kaibigan. Pinoy ba yung 877? I'm not sure if Skraz is Pinoy. But maybe palagay ko hindi. I guess he came from Brazil or somewhere else. 2-0 na tayo, guys. Bus na nga ata yung pats ni Skraz, mga kaibigan. 3-0 na tayo, mga kaibigan. Grabe. Pinaganda lang ata ang unang attack. 3-0 na tayo, mga kaibigan. Lemuria Legend. Ayan, you can search this game guys on Google Play Store. Just search for Legend of Lemuria. Alright, so 4-0 na tayo guys. 5-0 na tayo. Wala, pinano lang ata. Naubos na ata agad yung pads ni Iskraz. Naka-use constantly ata siya kanina, men. Oo, tapos 1 bag lang siya, no? Baka naka 1 bag lang siya, tapos... Ay. Pero maganda yung pinagita niya ba? Isipin mo yun, level gap, pero... Tumayo siya, men. At the same time, yung item niya, naka Holy Angel lang siya, oh. Kumbaga, ito dapat yung i-expect mo talagang ma-one hit from the start, eh. Pero... Naglaban si Skraz, men. Maganda yung pinakita niyang laban ba? 8-0 na tayo guys. Layo gap pero tumagal kaya nga eh. Item at saka level gap ha. Hindi lang item. Not today. Ay grabe. Not today. Nag-not today pa si Nat Angelo. 9-0 tayo guys. Nag-not today pa nga. Grabe. Kapag ikaw nag-tele, patay ka. Naalala ko tuloy, week before, there's a duel event kung saan lamang yung isang player. Tapos dahil sa pag-teleport niya, na-disqualified lang siya. Alam mo yung lamang ka sa laban, pero gumawa ka ng hindi karapat-dapat. Good game, ayan. Where is AFK only? Wala yata si AFK. Alright, so pasok na si Nat Angelo sa finals, guys. And for the second match, it's gonna be AFK only versus the Chinese. Summon ko lang, baka nawawala. Alright, so AFK only versus the Chinese player, mga kaibigan. Ito, gap din sa item ha. 970 yung Chinese eh. Si AFK naman, 906. Naka-Fenrir at isang naka-Dinorant. Ito, gap na gap to. 906 versus 970 men. Alright, so 1-0 na tayo guys. Oy, grabe. On 1 tayo, guys. Agad bumawi doon si AFK. Alright, so 2-1 na tayo, guys. Three-1 na tayo guys, parang pinay-score lang ah. Parang pinay-score lang dito sa AFK only ah. Gap na gap to, 906 versus 970 ah. Sa Majestic. Pati sa item. 5-1 tayo guys. Five-1 na tayo guys in favor of the Chinese coming from Bona Kings Guild. Alright, so 6-1 na tayo mga kaibigan. Shout out to our 52,000 viewers guys. You are watching Lemuria Legend, MU Mobile and PC game. Ayan. You can search this game on Google Play Store and App Store. Alright, so going back, 7-1 na tayo mga kaibigan. And this is not MU Origin gameplay. Ayan. Classic gameplay siya guys. Season 17, which means there are 13 characters for you to choose when you play the game. Alright, so 8-1 na tayo guys. 8-1 na tayo. 9-1 na tayo. 1 kill to go guys. One kill to go for the Chinese player at pasok na siya sa finals. At ayun na nga guys. Siya na nga ang pasok sa final. Sino palagay niyong mananalo guys? Not Angelo or yung Chinese mga kaibigan? Level gap din dito si Not Angelo ah. Alright, so round 1 mga kaibigan. Alright, sino nga ba ang unang pupuntos guys? Not Angelo 920, yung Chinese 970 guys. Pagdating sa item match lang, parehong naka-awakening soul. Si Not Angelo naka-blue Fenrir, samantalang yung Chinese naka-black pet. Alright, so 1-0 na tayo guys. Unang pumuntos doon si Not Angelo mga kaibigan. At binawian kaagad doon ng Chinese guys. All 1 tayo guys. All 1 na. Huwag kayong magte-telemen. 2-1 tayo guys in favor of Not Angelo mga kaibigan. 1 point lead by Not Angelo mga kaibigan. Mobile at PC siya. Alright, so 3-1 na tayo guys. 3-1 na tayo. Nagpalit ng Fenrir yung Chinese. From Black Fenrir to Blue Fenrir, man. Grabe, oh, kunat nyo, oh. Alright, so bumawi na doon ang Chinese. 3-2 guys. 1 point lead na lang by Not Angelo. Grabe. Ganda ng laban. 4-2 tayo guys. 2 point lead na dito si Not Angelo guys. Kumukunat sila dahil sa soul barrier eh. Kaya imposibleng, hindi naman sa imposible. Malabong ma-one hit talaga kung halos same lang. 4-3 tayo guys. Nakabawi ang Chinese mga kaibigan. 1 point lead na lang by Not Angelo mga kaibigan. Kunat ni Not Angelo. Nakailang skill dun yung Chinese men. All 4 tayo guys. Tabla ang score. Tabla ang score. At ayun na nga guys, nakabawi si Not Angelo. 5-4 tayo guys. 1 point lead by Not Angelo. Grabe, close fight tayo para sa finals mga kaibigan. Salitan ng putok, sabi nga. Alright? All 5 tayo guys. All 5 na tayo guys. All 5 na tayo mga kaibigan. Tayo na nga guys, change favor na tayo. Lamang na ang Chinese guys. Change favor na tayo mga kaibigan. All 6 guys, all 6 na tayo. Nakabawi doon si Nat Angelo. Sino nga ba ang unang kukuha ng puntos para sa first round? Tayo na nga guys. 7-6 tayo. Nagpapalit ng Dinorant yung Chinese man. Tama ba ang kanyang desisyon? From Blue Fenrir to Dinorant? 8-6 tayo guys. 2-point lead by Nat Angelo mga kaibigan. Alright, so nakabawi ang Chinese guys. 8-7 tayo. 8-7 tayo guys. So far itong class na to yung pinaka-close fight talaga, no? All 8 tayo guys. All 8 mga kaibigan. All 8 na tayo guys. Nine-8 na tayo, 1 kill to go for Nat Angelo at siya na ang unang makakapuntos para sa ating best of 3 matches guys. Nakakakaba sila, lumalapit kasi sila, wala pang guy. Alright, so ayun na nga guys, 10-8 panalo si Nat Angelo. Makakabawi nga ba ang Chinese sa second round? Or tatapusin na dito ni Nat Angelo guys? Ay, nag-duel na sila. Tatanungin ko pa lang. Alright, so round 2 na tayo mga kaibigan. At unang umiscore doon ang Chinese guys. 1-0 na tayo mga kaibigan. 1-0 na tayo. Alright, so bumawi doon si Nat Angelo guys. All 1 na mga kaibigan. Tatapusin na ba dito ni Nat Angelo or babawi ang Chinese at magkakaroon ng third match mga kaibigan? Ano nga ba ang magiging kapalaran ng ating finals? 2-1 tayo guys. 2-1 na tayo mga kaibigan. Alright, so 3-1 na tayo guys. 2-point lead by Nat Angelo mga kaibigan. Alright, so 3-2 na tayo guys. 3-2 na tayo guys. Alright, so 4-2 tayo guys. 2-point lead by Nat Angelo. So pasensya na kayo guys. Hindi tayo ganong makabasa ng comment. Dahil nakafocus tayo dito. Baka mag-teleport. Or kung ano man. Nag-type din ako eh. Alright, so 5-2 na tayo guys. Palagi ko mas maganda yung Blue Fenrir sa duel eh. Nagpalit ng Black Fenrir yung Chinese man. 5-2 na tayo guys. 3-point lead by Nat Angelo mga kaibigan. Lumambot siya oh. Sayang yung damage absorb ng Blue Fet eh. 6-2 tayo guys. Walang naka-bastion sa kanila no. Buti hindi sila humiram ng bastion. 7-2 na tayo guys. 7-2 na tayo. 5-point lead na dito si Nat Angelo mga kaibigan. 8-2 na tayo guys. 8-2 na tayo. 9-2 na tayo guys. 1 kill to go for Nat Angelo at siya na ang panalo. Or babawi pa ang Chinese. Mali yung Black Fenrir talaga. Di siya goods para sa akin. But let's see what's gonna happen for the second round of the finals guys. Tatapusin na ba dito ni Nat Angelo? Grabe, nagpa-attack pa siya oh. Tayo na nga guys, panalo si Nat Angelo. Alright, so congrats to Nat Angelo. Ayan, shoutout daw kay Ken, sabi dito ni Nat Angelo. And congrats man kay Nat Angelo, and still a nice fight coming from our Chinese player guys. Driving faster. Hindi ko nakita. That will be reviewed, don't worry. And congrats man. Ay, mali. And so, shout out to our viewers guys. Once again, this is Lemuria Legend MU that you can play on your mobile and Windows PC. You can simply search this game on Google Play Store. Just search for Legend of Lemuria. And if you are using iOS device, just search for Lemuria Legend on App Store. And if you are using Windows PC, you can simply visit the website for you to download the game. Ayan, so salamat guys, and congrats again to Nat Angelo. Ayan, kita-kits in game man. Download mo na. Every weekend there will be an XP boost. Alright, that will definitely help you to grind level. And there's already a starter gear on the server which is good for 15 days. And that's gonna be Ancient guys, which will definitely help you out. Ayan, playing the game. So, what are you waiting for? Download the game now. Ayan, so salamat guys. Bye-bye!